we're gonna need this for this wash day. Hey friends, welcome back to another video. Today I gotta do something with my hair. It has been 2 weeks since I washed my hair, and you know that is highly unlike me. So we're gonna have to put some work in today, but the thing is, I don't really have a lot of time. So let's just go ahead and get into this. Now what I'm not gonna do is go ahead and tell you every single thing that I'm using before I get started. You're just gonna have to watch and see. But because it's been 2 weeks since I have cleansed my scalp properly, I am gonna go in with the handy dandy Wonder Crown from Mizani. Y'all see me reach for this occasionally, but in case you are kind of new and I haven't used this in a while, I like to soothe my scalp with this. The last video I used the Patterns scalp detox. This it's just something else. I'm really trying to get through the products in my stash without necessarily throwing them away. And I'm be honest, I've had this for quite some time and I am not putting a dent in this girl, okay? But she is thick and gets the job done. So basically I use this as a detox. It's like a pre-poo. Ooh. But what it does is it's a scalp cleanse, and you apply it to your scalp, you massage it in, you let it sit, you run your head underneath water or as if you were about to start shampooing your hair, and you massage that in, you let that suds up. Is that my work computer? Then you let it sit for another minute. I'm telling y'all because I'm not setting up in the shower, but I want you to know how to properly use this in case you're interested in it. It just really gets in there, really penetrates the scalp, really leaves my scalp feeling clean and refreshed. Right now I'm just going to apply it as liberally as possible. I like that it has this nozzle because I can just go right in on the scalp and just let it do its thing. Maybe mine is getting a little, I think mine is starting to get a little old because I don't remember it being this hard to like move throughout my hair. Or maybe my hair is just really dirty and really thick, but as you can see, like I'm having a lot of trouble trying to disperse it, and I'm not really used to that. So I'm just gonna apply some more. I'm gonna let it sit for a few minutes before I hop in and get my wash day started. But I just wanted to show y'all this first step. Now that I have massaged it in for a little bit, I'm about to hop in the shower, start on my wash day. Gonna be using quite a few products, don't judge me. I'm gonna try the hydrating cream bath from 𝐿. I've had this for a while. I think I've used it maybe once. I don't really remember if I like it or not. I'm giving my Āģual wash days a little break just because of the condition of my hair. So the one thing about using this scalp foaming pre-wash treatment is that it also works kind of like a shampoo as well. And it's not the most moisturizing in my opinion. Not saying that it's clarifying either. It just gets my hair really clean. And I just want to make sure my hair is kind of moisturized during this wash day because I do plan to do a style on blown out hair. So I want to use this hydrating cream bath just as my second wash. It is a cleanser, right? Rinse thoroughly, yeah. And then to condition my hair, we're gonna go in with the Double Cream Deep Quencher from Curlsmith. Like I said, we're trying to give the moisture, and on my ends I'm gonna use Olaplex 8. I know it sounds like a lot, but I want to make sure my ends are nice and moisturized because I also want to do a bit of a dusting in this video. Told y'all the works are going on. It sounds like a lot, but honestly it's gonna take the same amount of time as usual because technically I'm only going to have to shampoo my hair once since this foams and turns into a cleanser in itself. So go ahead and get that started, and then probably gonna try and detangle my hair, and we'll come back and blow my hair out. Oh, This is such a good wash day so far. Real quick, y'all remember how my hair had broken off? I talked about it in one of my hair vlogs, but we are growing back quite nicely. Look at that. I'm excited about that. I'm doing something right? Growing back. We got inches. Alright, so yeah, this is what the hair is looking like. Fully washed, conditioned, all that good stuff. I'm gonna blow my hair out using 2 products from the Do's Press Play system. I need to see, do I use these on damp hair? Oh my gosh. Let me figure my life out. You know what? I'm gonna use the 𝐴𝐴 product. I'm gonna use my 𝐴𝐴 Blue Tansy leave-in conditioner and just kind of cocktail it with the Blue Tansy serum. We're just gonna make it easy. We're just doing a blowout. It's not like I'm about to do a silk press. So it's not gonna be on a high heat. I just want something to protect my hair. And that way, if I use the leave-in conditioner, my hair is going to get like the effects of the moisture as well. If I would have known that, I would have applied that in the shower. But I digress. I'm gonna apply it and put my hair in some twists. And then when I come back, we'll add the serum and blow my hair out. Sound good? Sounds good. Okay, so it's probably been about an hour. And to be honest, my hair is still pretty wet, but I just want to go ahead and get this over with because this is starting to feel like a never-ending wash day. Look at that, y'all. Like, my hair is just so thick and juicy. It has been detangled. I'm not even gonna add the serum because I used so much leave-in conditioner. I think that's part of the reason as to why my hair is still this soaking wet. So we're just gonna go in. I need a towel. 1 product, blowout. Let's go. A couple things that I wanted to chat about while I'm blow drying my hair. 1, I used way too much of that Mizani and it took me forever and 3 days to shampoo it out. It was ridiculous. I threw it out because I just think that it's old. 2, I also just want to apologize because, you know, and 2, spoiler alert, this is low-key a fail and I feel like I have just uploaded so many failed videos lately. I apologize. My hair is thriving. I'm just not thriving as a person. But thank y'all for watching. I hope you subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up if you're proud that I just uploaded it. All right, let's get back to the video. Okay, Fred is blown out. I don't have him silky straight. This is not like pre-silk press blowout. This is just length blowout. I was actually like kind of looking at my ends and honestly, I don't think I need to dust them. They look pretty good. They are in really good shape. And if I do go get a trim next month, I want it to be enough to trim. So I might just leave them alone. Yeah, I think that's what we're gonna do. So now we're gonna try this foam out for a braid out on stretched hair. I have been loving this foam from Braid and I'm really interested to see what the hold is going to give on this. I probably will not in this video today because I actually want to see how my braid out kind of holds up. Because I like am doing things this weekend, so I'm going to be outside. And that's kind of the reason why I wanted to use the Color Wow, because I didn't want my hair to revert. Because we in fake fall right now in North Carolina. And if you don't know what that means that like the air has a little nip in it as if fall is coming, but we got 4 more weeks. Okay, your girl's birthday is coming up, but yeah, and so I want my hair to revert but not too much, so we'll see. I'm feeling my roots, they're a little damp still, so I'm gonna go back in and blow dry my roots and we are going to braid it up with this here foam. I'm sitting here trying to convince myself that I'm making these thicker. I feel like I'm using larger sections. they are coming out being their regular degular size. That is so typical of me. So as you can see, I'm using about 3 pumps per section. And then I am braiding down per usual. Try my best to make the legs as even as possible. But let me tell y'all, one thing I am noticing doing this braid out on stretched hair, my hair is so incredibly thick at the roots. Like, I don't know if y'all can tell on this one, but as I braid down, it gets skinnier. And I think it's a couple things. Yes, this is about to be like a little ramble, but if you've been here for a while, you know I have really focused on my supplements and just making sure I'm doing a really good job with taking them like I'm supposed to. Back in June when I went for my preventive, my iron looked really good. She told me to keep taking my iron pills like I do. I've really found like a supplement routine that works for me. I've been eating more salmon, so I haven't been taking my fish oil as often as I was. But look at how thick this is up here compared to down here. And I really think my hair is healthier because of it. I don't think it's like breakage from color. I really think it was my health. I think I have improved my health, and therefore I am improving the quality of my hair, and I am so excited about that. Because even as I was blow drying my hair, I'm like, oh my goodness, my hair looks so thick. And so many of y'all have been complimenting me on Fred's length, and this isn't even like a full stretch, but we are like armpit length, easy. And I really think it's because I have been moving, I've been working out, y'all know that, and I'm actually seeing a difference in my hair. So I just wanted to come on here and let you guys know that. I figured y'all didn't want to see me standing here braiding my hair. It's real regular degular. But once I do this, I am going to heat me up some dinner, sit underneath my hooded dryer for 15-20 minutes since I am using a foam. And I don't know, I might have to shake a leg tonight, so I might actually take this down tonight if it's fully dry. But stay tuned, we shall see. Well, it's about an hour or so later, and my hair is not 100% dry, but I kind of need to go. I'm just gonna keep it 100% honest with y'all. I kind of need to go, and we're just gonna see how this goes. This is what my braids are looking like. This is perfection to me. This and my hair not even 100% dry. Oh my goodness, like I love this. Can y'all see it? Okay, so this is going to be considered day 1. I'm probably going to have to re-braid my hair. Maybe not tonight, but y'all, oh my goodness, I love this. This is how I wish my braid outs looked all the time. Apparently I gotta start stretching them, and I am okay with that because it was so easy to blow my hair out today. Like, today was such a good wash day. All right, well, I'm gonna go run the streets just a little bit. We will come back, if not tomorrow, in a couple days. I'll check in from my phone and let you guys see what my hair is looking like. But day 1, I am in love. Well, good people, it is now, let's see, I did my hair on Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. It's 5 days later, and I did not check back in, but I have a confession. The blown out braid out did not last but maybe 8 hours and my hair shrunk back up. So my first tip would be to use a humidity resistant type product like the Color Wow Dream Coat, or even silent treatment from the Dew if your hair is textured like mine and just loves to curl back up, especially in this weather, right? So that is number one. So that means the next day I rebraided my hair. I just dampened it, tried to reactivate the products. That's how that went. So on Sunday night, I just decided to dampen my hair again. I actually went in with Camille Rose's butter gel. I've used that quite a few times on my channel. And I did another braid out, basically the same size as I did on day one. And this is what we're looking like. So this is technically day 2. I did not rebraid my hair last night, but I did stretch it with my Supersonic just because I just wanted a little lift to it. But I like this, and I just had to say that I really like using lighter weight products, like going in with the foam and then a few days later going back in with like the butter gel on top of it. I don't feel like I'm layering heavy products on my hair. My hair doesn't feel dry. I didn't feel like I needed to rewash my hair just to go into another style. It's just that the style didn't last. So in this case, like, I'm all about elongating a style and not necessarily doing an entire wash day. I just think it's better on my hair. Oh, sorry, that's my TV. And so here we are. I think this looks so good. Also, really quick, I know this video is kind of getting a little lengthy, but with my hair being the texture that it is, the least wet that it is, the least damp, the driest, without it being completely dry, say about like 80-90% dry, is ideal for me when it comes to doing braid outs and things, because I get the elongation that I like. Not saying that I don't like my texture or I don't like my curls, but just I like a little length, and it gives me more definition, because with my coils, like, they really like to lock in place. So when they are stretched and locked in place, I can get things like this without having to use like those hard holding products. So that is it. I will definitely try and do a blowout braid out. Sorry if you can hear my TV. I will do another blowout braid out really soon, using like the Color Wow or the silent treatment, just to show y'all that it actually works and it will last like it did while I was on vacation. But it just didn't work out in this video because I didn't have those products readily accessible. So thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate each and every one of you. And as always, I will see you in the next one. Okay, so this is going to be considered day 1. I'm probably going to have to rebraid my hair. Maybe not tonight, but y'all, oh my goodness. I love this. This is how I wish my braid outs looked all the time. Apparently I gotta start stretching them, and I am okay with that because it was so easy to blow my hair out today. Like, today was such a good wash day. All right, well, I'm gonna go run the streets just a little bit. We will come back, if not tomorrow, in a couple days. I'll check in from my phone and let you guys see what my hair is looking like. But day 1, I am in love.